Outstanding design defines the 2020 Honda Pilot. It features all-wheel drive versatility, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, heated seats, skid plates, lane departure warning, blind spot sensor, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.